Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Ninja Party PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ninja Party game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then from this page, click on Settings, and now from the Settings window, click on Mouse/Keyboard. You can now change your camera sensitivity as well as the various buttons that have been assigned to your keyboard. Just click on whichever control you wish to change, and once you are prompted to enter your desired key, you can just press it within your keyboard. By following this step, you can redefine all of your controls, and once you are done customizing your settings, you can just go back and your settings will be saved. Now you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Ninja Party PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.